Hi, I'm Jeff with Impact Networking. I'm here today to show you some common paper tray issues that we find in the field. And what I like to do is demonstrate the first one that's very common. What we're doing here is running 11 by 17 through the machine, and you'll notice it'll jam right away. Now to clear the jam, we open the door, and I remove the jam paper, and we find that we have letter jammed in the machine, not 11 by 17. So we proceed to check our paper tray, and someone has loaded letter paper in the tray. Very common issue. I hope these few tips help you with your everyday jamming challenges and paper tray issues.